Hey folks, today we're checking out two of the latest additions to the PowerBank and Powerstrip market, the Anker Prime lineup. And I have here the 200-watt charging bank and also the 6-in-1 Powerstrip. Chapters are down below if you want to jump ahead. Let's check them out. I've been using the 200-watt charging bank while I'm out on the go, and it's really great. It fits in my camera bag. It's the same height as a normal lens, so you can just easily have this popped into your bag, and I have the wires coming out the side and charge it super stealth. When I was at the airport, instead of having to look around for an open port or some sketchy charging station, I now just pull out my cords and I can charge up my laptop as well with 100 watts. There's 3 ports total on this. There's 2 USB-C and 1 USB-A. The more devices you're charging up and plug into this thing, you're going to get less wattage spread over all of them. You can see that in this diagram here. There's always the dedicated 100-watt port, so if you need to charge 2 laptops simultaneously, you can do both of those at 100 watts. Just don't use the USB-A. This thing is also super speedy recharging, and there's the 100-watt rapid recharge feature on this. So that'll get this thing fully powered and ready to go in just an hour and 15 minutes. There's a very nice display that shows you how much longer it's going to take. You can also hook this up on your phone and see all that data displayed a lot better, because this is a little tiny, but I really appreciate all the different views that you can get as you're clicking around. There's no more guessing games when it comes to charging this up and how much juice you have left. The digital display provides real-time data, and it's just pretty cool to see the actual wattage being used on everything. There's just one button here on the side, and you use that to kind of flip around from different screens and for resetting your Bluetooth. With this power bank fully charged, I was able to keep my iPhone charged all weekend long. The new lineup also comes with the Active Shield 2.0 safety system, which makes sure the charging is efficient and compatible with all your different devices. You can have this connected to your iPhone, like I mentioned, to get a bunch of other stats for it, more insights. It's great for the person who likes to see all that data and info. So for example, you can check to see if this thing is done charging from another room. So all that connectivity is a great thing, and this little power bank from Anker is definitely a powerhouse. It's very compact, very efficient, and I can see this being the future of power banks going forward, with a display on there, more information, and just more power. There's also this very slick looking Powerstrip, which is being touted as the thinnest Powerstrip in the world. This one is a 6-in-1 Powerstrip, so you got 2 AC outlets here, 2 USB-C ports here, and 2 USB-A ports also right next to it. So super versatile, many charging options. You can be charging 6 devices simultaneously, but this diagram also shows you how everything kind of gets split up that way. What I do love about this Powerstrip is just how thin it is and how easily I can stash this in my backpack. But mainly, this has just been living on my desk when I need to have one thing that powers up all my devices. The power cord is only 5 feet long, and it's a special one, so you're going to need to get a bumper cable or an extension cord if you need to go longer than that. Mainly, I'm sick of just running around looking for all these chargers and cords, and with this, you have everything dedicated to one place, nice and easy to find, always ready to charge. And you get this cool little display system as well that you can kind of geek out on, watch the wattage go by. I've definitely been enjoying that. There's a side button on here, so if you press that, you get many different options of displays, but I really enjoy this one where you can just see the amperes and the watts flowing through this. You also have the Anker Prime technology on this, which gives you that active shield and power IQ. So it's going through a bunch of different checks to make sure the temperature control, not getting too hot or blowing anything out. So some pretty cool little devices from Anker. I'll leave the links in the description down below. The power bank is coming in at $130, and the Powerstrip picked up for about $100. So if you've been on the lookout for the perfect travel companion for powering up all your devices, I would definitely say check these out. Thanks for watching, everyone, and don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button for more. I'd love to see you at the next one. Take care.